got my start with pumping manure through a hose about 10-15 years ago. Our pit was too small. We wanted to go to no-till. Dad said you got to figure out how to get away from the compaction if you want to do no-till. That led me down the road of Dragline. Today, I have a partner that does the custom work, and I focus on building the equipment. So I do a complete line of manure injectors and dragline equipment.
So, biochar is a solution. What is the production of biochar? What are we talking about? We're talking about the thermal processing of organics. We're not talking about burning it. That's a separate process. This is an oxygen-starved process. The intent of this process is to take large quantities of organic materials. We functionally cook them at high temperature with no oxygen, and we look to preserve the carbon in that feedstock.
Yeah, so the injectors I build are designed for low disturbance. So we're just cutting a shallow slot. Pennsylvania legally is 9,000 to the acre, and I do a good job with covering that. If you're into some of the other septage or food waste where you're going higher rates, you probably want to go with a shank type injector because you'll get more coverage. That's not going to be a no-till.